introduction of contaminants into our natural environment that causes adverse change. There are many different types of pollution, but the main ones that I'm going to be talking about today are air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. First up on the plate is air pollution. This one affects us all because to survive, we need air, clean air. As you probably guessed, air pollution is just harmful substances in our air. What are some types of air pollution, you may ask? Well, there's vehicle exhaust fumes, the open burning of garbage, and wildfires. Air pollution is not a recent occurrence. For instance, in 1952, the Great Smog of London killed over 8,000 people. In case you didn't know, smog is a mixture of smoke and fog. Also, air pollution targets kids because of our smaller physical size and lung capacity. Here are some ways that we can reduce air pollution. We can try to cut down the number of trips we take in our cars, to try to eliminate firewood at all costs, and to try to switch over to more things that are electric, like electric cars and electric tools. Next up is water pollution. Water is unusable for cooking, cleaning, drinking, swimming, and many others if it is polluted. What are some pollutants that are in these waters? Well, there's chemicals, trash, bacteria, and parasites. 80% of the world's wastewater, largely untreated, is dumped back into the environment, polluting lakes, rivers, and oceans. What are some ways that we can reduce water pollution? Well, we cannot pour fat, oil, or grease down our sinks when we're cooking. Also, don't dump household cleaners down your toilets or your sinks. And finally, don't dump old medicine or medicine in general down your toilet. And lastly, there's land pollution. Land pollution is just solids and liquids in the soil that pollutes the lands. Some of the things that cause land pollution is littering, construction, and mining. This can give out diseases such as cancer, asthma, heart disease, lung disease, and many more. Why and how can you get these from land pollution? Well, it's by eating contaminated fruits and vegetables that were grown on polluted lands. Here are some ways that we can help land pollution. The main one is reforestation, which is, if you didn't know, replanting trees that have either died or been destroyed. But what we can do ourselves is by using the method reduce, reuse, recycle. After this speech, I hope I opened your eyes a little wider to the growing problem of pollution in our natural world, and you can make the small changes and big changes to try to reduce this. Please use the methods that I gave you to clean our air, our water, and our land. Thank you.